Hey beauties, and welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner. So today I want to show you this wig that I got from Outre. This is a Ashani wig and then number 2. And then I like this wig specifically because of the long combs that's in the front and then a kind of a short one in the back. Again, I love to use like a color around the perimeter of my hair to make it look thicker. So this is a new brand I'm using. It smells so good, so I'm probably gonna stick to this one, and it has keratin in it, so that's supposed to help with the hair follicles, I guess. Anyway, I saw a video where someone did a half up kind of thing, but I wasn't liking it, so I kind of just fluffed this out until I felt it looked cute. I didn't know what to expect, so you can see now I'm just curling the front of my hair. Next time I'm just going to use perm rods because I can't keep putting heat on my hair. And the purpose for me getting this wig is so that I can not use, heats. It can be like I won't have to worry about my roots getting, reverting. But here you can see I am spraying my scalp, and it just makes the hair look flawless. I don't want to leave too much hair out, so that's just my trick. I use some wax stick. I'm going to lay it down and then just play with it until I like it. And I think this is about it. This is the look I'm going for. I am on the fence about this style, really. I like curly hair. But I kind of played around too much with it and it got a little frizzy. So right here I'm just fluffing it out because if I don't do that, it looks really, really thin at the same time. So let me know if you have any questions. If you ever tried the Ashani wig, I've only used the penny, the real tight curly. So this is new to me, but I like her. She's cute. I'm just going to experiment with different wigs until I find my final favorites. But if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Mwah.